Entering your bills into QuickBooks Online makes it easy for you to keep track of what your business owes. This gives you a more complete view of your business. Bills are for expenses you plan to pay in the future. They can be something like a utility bill you receive from the power company, or they can be an invoice you receive from a supplier. Let's go over how to enter a bill in QuickBooks Online. Then we'll show you how to pay your bill with a check, or how to record the payment if you pay with online banking. To start, go to New and select Bill. Select the supplier who sent you the bill. If you don't see them, you can add them here. Next, you'll see fields for your supplier's address, the terms they give you to pay your bill, and when your bill is due. If you've already entered your supplier info into QuickBooks, then these fields will populate automatically. If you have a bill number, enter it over here. Select the category that best describes what you're being charged for. For most bills, this is usually an expense account. If you don't see an account that describes what you're being billed for, then you can add one. Enter a description of what the bill is for and the amount. You can also attach a PDF of the bill if you have one. When you're done, select Save and Close. You can see your new bill here in the suppliers list. Now let's go over how to pay your bills. If you want to pay your bills by check, select New and Pay Bills. Select the account you want to pay from, which will probably be your checking account, and enter in the date you are paying. If you're using a handwritten check, enter your next check number here. We're going to use a handwritten check for this example. Below, select the bill you want to pay. You can pay one or multiple. This applies the payment to the bills. When you're finished, select Save and Print if you want to print the check from QuickBooks Now, or Save and Close if you're using a handwritten check. We'll select Save and Close since we used a handwritten check. Now the suppliers list shows that you have paid your bill. If you have your bank account connected to QuickBooks and you used online banking to pay your bill, then the process is even easier. Just go to your banking transactions. Find the transaction downloaded from your bank. You'll see that QuickBooks knows that you've already entered in a bill for this transaction. All you have to do is select Match and you're done. That's it. Now you're ready to start using QuickBooks to manage your bills.